Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Tailswift 7.6.1 on VirtualBox. First go to Tailswift official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.6.1. Okay, scroll down, then click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.6.1 ISO image. See download started. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on other, then select the location where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, one OS version is Debian 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with the alternated installation. Then go to virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals 2. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Okay, if you are okay with this settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.6.1, and hit enter. Welcome to Tails, and see these are the default language and format settings. If you want to modify any one of these, just you need to click on them and you can select the option. Okay, if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on this one. It is up to you. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See these are the default values for the additional settings, like password is off, I want to make it as turn on, so provide set the password for the administration. Then click on add. In remaining options I am not going to change. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection, if you want to connect to tar automatically, just you need to select this radio button and click on connect to tar. Now open terminal or console. It is successfully connected to tar. Now start tar browser. See, you have successfully connected to tar browser, and default search engine tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tailswift 7.6.1. The first step after connecting to Tailswift is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration here. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswift 7.6.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.